Hello dear children, and this is a video to give you an explanation for class 10th English chapters. So we will first start with the very first poem of your book First Flight. The name of the poem is Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. Now children, it's a very beautiful poem because it describes how little things can bring happiness into our life. And also the poet is trying to tell us that the best things in life are absolutely free. So first of all, here is a little backdrop to the expression and the emotion the poet was undergoing while he wrote this poem. The poet is sitting under a tree called the hemlock tree. Now hemlock is basically the name comes for this coniferous tree because hemlock is a plant from which poison is obtained, from which some toxic substance is obtained. So the poet has named the tree as hemlock tree because he's trying to signify that from a tree that gives poison, from a tree whose name resembles poison, nothing good or nothing positive is expected. So Robert Frost is sitting under the hemlock tree and he's in a very sad and pensive mood. Pensive means, he's into a deep thought and he's very sad, he's very gloomy and dull. Now we shall read the paraphrase, and as I read the paraphrase, I am also going to give you the explanation. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. So the poet is trying to say that he is sitting under a tree and the name of the tree is hemlock tree, and he is quiet and he is very upset. Suddenly what happens? A crow comes and perches on the branches of the tree. So when the crow comes and sits on the branch of the tree is snow covered. So tells us that it is extreme winters and the trees are snow covered. So winter is again an expression of the dullness and the gloominess and the sadness that the poet is again undergoing. So winter season is symbolic of dullness, of listlessness that the poet is undergoing. So he says that this crow comes and sits on the branch of the hemlock tree, and when it sits, the weight of the crow brings about sudden movement in the branches of the tree, and as a result, because of this sudden movement, because of this sudden motion, a little mass of snowflakes drops down, begins to fall down. Now this looks like dust, which is white in color, and the poet calls it the dust of snow. So he sits under the hemlock tree, and when the crow perches on the tree, it creates movement in the branches of the tree, and because of which the snowflakes which are there on the branches fall down in the form of dust onto the poet. Now these particles are very light and minuscule. That's why he calls them dust. Second stanza. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. Now the poet is trying to tell us that when the dust of snow was showered on him accidentally by the crow, this gave his heart a little bit of change of mood because he was very thoughtful and pensive. Suddenly he got distracted that okay, what happened, what fell on me, and this despairing mood, the sad mood that he was sitting in, suddenly got disturbed. And when he observed the snow dust falling on him, he was really gladdened. His heart became happy. So has given my heart a change of mood. So his mood underwent a change. His mood underwent a transformation, and he became happy. So because of this, he says, and saved some part of a day I had rued. Now the whole day he had rued. Rued means he was sad. The whole day he had spent in sadness, in remorse, in unhappiness. But suddenly, with the fall of this dust of snow on his head, he is happy, and the rest of the day, saved some part means the day which is left, the part of the day which is left to be done, that part is saved from becoming sad, because now he is going to be in a happy mood for the rest of the day. So, he somehow decided that now the rest of the day would not be wasted, because his mood has changed, his mind has changed. Because till now he had rued the day, he had wasted the day because of being sad, but now he is in a pleasant mood, he is in a happy mood, and the rest of the day is going to be saved. So this is the explanation. I hope you have liked the explanation. Please press the like button.